It's Bob with Daytona Outdoor Power. Did you know that today is our Customer Appreciation Open House Day of 2024? One of our biggest sales events of the year. Stop in. We've got Wright, Husqvarna, Echo, Skag, Crest, and we've got free lunch. It's worth a look. Come in and check it out. And here we are, starting with Husqvarna. We've got push mowers, tractors, we've got blowers, we've got zero turns, weed eaters, you name it, we've got it. And we also have great spring discounts. Make sure and come check it out. We've got Wright mowers, stand-ons, ZKs are 20% off. Come take a test drive and see which one you like. This is our amazing selection of Skag equipment. Did you know you can save 15% off today? Now we step into the future with Crest, the world's fastest battery charge. It can fully charge your battery in 8 minutes. They have residential and commercial equipment, as well as the future of mowing with the auto mower, robotics. And while that's going, guess what you get to do? Let's go have lunch. Oh, it's my favorite time of the day. Come in, have lunch with us. It's on the house. Come in, get your blue ticket, and you get lunch on us. We'd love to see you. Daytona Outdoor Power, directly behind the Volusia Mall.